So when you actually go around over here and let's say for example a pen right here, I can go ahead and draw around freely as you can see right here. But you can see that as I draw around, it is not stable. So it is quite squiggly right here. If you want to go ahead and stabilize out your drawing right here, let's say for example, whatever you have from your pen as well, you can actually go ahead and enable stabilizer. And here you can see that you got two options for stabilizer. For example, you got rope right here, and if I were to go around over here, you can see that I get a kind of a rope right here that I can go ahead and pull out right here just like this to go ahead and then draw it out with a stabilization right here just like this, as you can see. Apart from that, you can also go ahead and increase out, let's say for example, the size right here, and you can see that you kind of like get a rope right here just like this. You can go ahead and pull this out right here, pull this out around over here, pull this out around over here, and so forth. You can go around and click and drag to go ahead and make it smooth right here. You can change the length of the rope as well. So that is what you have, and apart from that, you also have the window mode. So if I were to go around over here, you can see that the window mode also goes ahead, and as you squiggle around, you can see that it smoothens the things out. You can go ahead and increase out let's say for example, a number as well. And as you go around over here, you can see that you can go ahead and click and drag, and you can see that as I move this, unlike the rope, it does not actually bend, but you can see that it works in a similar way, and you can go ahead and create a very smooth line, draw a smooth line right here using the pencil tool. So you got the same with the knife as well. So you got the same, like you can go ahead and utilize the tool right here just like this. So over here, not everything has the a stabilizer tool, but even the path brush tool right here, you can see that you can go ahead and enable the stabilizer, and if you were to click and drag it, you can see that you get the stabilizer right here. You can increase out the length right here just like this, and just like this you got a rope right here that you can go ahead and pull out and stabilize it out right here just like this. So that is how you can go ahead and utilize stabilizer in pen, path brush, and knife tool inside of Affinity. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe